What's up, beautiful people? I'm in the office right now. I'm about to go get me something to eat. It's 2 o'clock. I haven't had anything to eat yet, so I'm gonna go grab a bite. But I want to talk a little bit about generating business. I've been a insurance person. I've been a mortgage guy for a long time, and I've bought leads. I've bought data. I've done cold calls. I've done warm calls. I've done internet leads. I've pretty much done every type of uh, lead company there is, basically every type of lead. And I can tell you that I want you to join in. Add me up on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on all my social media, TikTok, Facebook. Follow me on all that, because I'm actually gonna be doing a course with a good friend of mine to show you how to generate leads for free using social media. Okay. I'm gonna have a guest that's gonna be doing it with me. He's gonna be showing you a way to generate business now. And what's great about it is what you're doing is you're basically using these platforms to generate conversations, and it's just like baseball. The more conversations that you have, the more chances you have to actually close deals. Just like the more pitches you get in baseball, the more chances you have to make hits. But he's got a really extreme, really awesome way of doing that. So we're gonna host a clubhouse. So stay tuned for it. Just give me a follow, give me a like, share this with your friends. We're gonna show you how to generate business for free leads, and I'm talking about instant conversations with people, building a database from the very beginning. From the second that you start doing what the things that we're going to be telling you to do, the things that you can apply immediately. Okay, I want you to do this, but I want you to follow me, join on my social media, be looking out, because we're going to schedule this. So we're going to do it on Clubhouse, and then we may do some Facebook lives and some Instagrams as well. Definitely YouTube to show you these things that we're doing. But feel free, please, to join us up. Be looking for that, looking for the Clubhouse talk. Give us follows, and I want to get you in this program and show you how to generate these leads and have these conversations. Because what it is you're generating conversations, not leads. You're generating conversations, and those conversations will lead to deals being closed. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and give me a call if you need anything. Thank you.